Get it. Can you get that? Can't get home to the front of the screen. You're worse than me.
I think I'm alright.
Doesn't make much sense. Gotta be above against anyone who takes offense out of your celebration and honoring our minds that there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you, 'cause I'm sure you would agree that it would be no perfectly and to have a little party on the day you came to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Just never understood how many died for good. Could not have a day that I mean, you know what I mean. Be sad, I'm not for this recognition. It'll never be just because some cannot see. The dream is clear as he. That they should make it become an illusion, 'cause we all know everything that a stick for time will bring. For in peace our hearts will sing next to Martin Luther King. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. My health's been never been a holiday. Well, peace to celebrate all throughout the world. The time is overdue for people like me and you who know the way to truth is love and unity to all God's children should be a great event, and the whole day should be spent in full remembrance for those who lived and died for the oneness of all people. I'm sure you would agree. The world will believe. So let it all begin as loud as you can. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Well done, Megan.
Right then, folks, I believe it's cake cutting time. Is the cake up at the top by the buffet tables? Is the knife ready? Right, we need to get the birthday boy. So get yourself a drum, sir.